Hello! Do you want to become a master on a video calling application on all three platforms like Android, iOS, and web? Then this course is for you. Stick around. Welcome back. Let's see what do we have in this project. Let's start running this project. So right here I have a backend system running with Node.js server and a WebSocket, of course. And now I have the Android version and the web version. Of course, the iOS is coming after it, but now these two parts are ready. So let's test this project. I'm going to copy this username and paste it here, and then press call. You will see a notification that there is an incoming call. So let me remove my video from here and go to the website. Now let's accept this call, and you should be able to see that the call is connected successfully. We have the full functionality of switching camera and muting the track or the video, muting the call, and switching between the earpiece and of course the speaker mode. And of course pressing end call and add a new call again. Just like that. So let me go back to main place. And of course you can use it with same platforms. For instance, let me bring another emulator here. Copy this username and paste it here. You can see there is a notification here that says incoming call from the other guy. Press yes. The stream is on. You can switch the tracks between the front and back camera. You can disable and enable the camera and audio. Also switch between the earpiece and speakerphone. Same goes for the other guy. I really wanted to make this course a premium version, but I'm publishing it for free on my YouTube channel. So make sure you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my videos to support my works. Thank you for doing that. Till the next video, see you everyone.